South Carolina, Central York County in upstate South Carolina, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles west of Rock Hill, or 4 miles south of Newport, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Rock Hill, Tega Cay, Clover, Newport, Steel Creek, Carowinds, Lake Wiley, York, Fort Mill, and McConnells.
Here it is.
For your protection, move to an interior room.
There's an SVR for York and Mecklenburg County.
Lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report damaging winds.